JS is a weird language, and it has so many secrets and advanced tips. In this playlist, we are going to deep dive into every single one of them one by one. Let's see. You may be really confused about some unexpected behaviors in JavaScript, but in this lesson, we are going to solve most of them very easily. If you already watched our loose equality versus strict equality, this is a nice video. You can watch it after that, but if you didn't, you can watch it later, or you can watch it before this one and return to this video after you have watched that. Okay, what does loose equal do behind the scene? Okay, it's something called coercion. Coercion can solve many problems we have with JavaScript. In a very simple word, what does loose equal do behind the scene? If both sides have the same type, it just checks its value and returns true and false. But if both sides doesn't have exact type, it have some rules, and if that rules doesn't apply, it would try to convert both sides to the number. Okay, it tries to convert both sides to the number and then compare the numbers. This would solve many of our problems. Okay, let's see. First of all, 5 in number type is loosely equals to 5 in a string. Okay, if I run the code, you would see this one is true. But what is happening here? The left side is number, the right side is a string. So it tries to convert 5 in a string to the number. The number of this string is 5, and 5 equals to 5, so it is true. What about the next one? The next one, the left part is number, the right part isn't. So it tries to convert false to the number, and the false in JavaScript, when is converted to the number, is treated as 0, and 0 is equals to 0. What about null and undefined? Actually, it is a special case which I already told you. It has some rules, and this is one of its rules. You can think of it as a exception. Null is always loosely equal to undefined. It's a rule. But what about empty object compared to 0? Okay, it is trying to convert both sides to the number. And what is the number of empty string? Okay, let's try it in here. What is the number of a empty object? Okay, let's try it. You see, the number of a empty object is 0. So when you convert a empty object to number, it becomes 0, and 0 is equal to 0. This is coercion. In a simplest way, I can teach you. Okay, loose equality tries to convert both sides to numbers if they are not same type. Now you can understand more complex things very easily. For example, console.log empty string and false. What is empty string treated when it is converting to the number? Okay, we can try it in here. We can say number, and in here, if I run the code, you would see the number. You would see empty string as number is 0, and false, when it's treated to number, it is the same, it is 0. And yeah, 0 is equal to 0, and it would be true. Don't forget to like.